I'll be using 3 colors, yellow, blue, and pink. First step is squishing these soap dough blocks into soap dough balls. I'll be using yellow for the house, pink for the roof, and blue for the windows and door. First things first, the main house will be yellow. So I will be using this yellow dough. Make into a cylinder, flatten the bottom. Main part of the house is done. Use your second color. Do exact same thing. Apply some water. Stick the roof. Next up, we'll be doing the door and the windows. I'll be starting with the door. A little bit of blue. A small ball. Flatten it. Use your tool to shape it up. Apply a little water. Stick the door. I'll be adding a pink knob to my door. Apply a little water. The knob. Now we can texture the door. Next up, I'll be doing the windows with the blue. Put the water. Flatten the little ball. Lastly, I'll be texturing the house and the roof. Now the gnome has a home.